Hello students, continuing with chapter division part 3. As you can see, mark the lots in the picture and complete the table. What is the meaning of a lot, children? As you can see, in the first column, total number of cucumbers. There are 10 cucumbers in each row. Number of cucumbers in one lot. So, they have circled one lot. One lot means one set. Now, how many total number of lots? How many lots can you make? Let us see. First lot, second lot, third lot, 4 lot, 5 lot, 6 lot, 7 lot, 8 lot, 9 lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many lots can you make? How many set you can make? See, when you divide 10 by 1, so the answer is 10. So there are how many lots? 10 lots. Right, children? There are how many lots? 10 lots, right? Now let us see the second question. Total number of cucumbers 10. Okay, second one. Number of cucumbers in one lot. So let us see. Number of cucumbers in one lot. So there are 2 cucumbers in one set. So let us see how many. This is 2 set. This is 3 set, this is 4 set, this is 5 set. 1 was already done for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each set has 2 cucumbers because number of cucumbers in one lot is 2. So I have put each cucumber in, I have put 2 cucumbers in each lot. So total number of lot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Now total number of cucumbers are 10 in the third place. Now number of cucumber in one lot. So they have asked us to make 5 cucumbers in one lot. So one lot will have how many cucumbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the second lot will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the other will make another lot. So total number of lots are how many, children? Can anybody tell me? 2. So when you divide 10 by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So number of lot is 2, right? Now the last one. Total number of cucumber 10. Number of cucumber in one lot is 10. So what will happen, children? One lot will have all the cucumbers. So what is the answer? So the answer is 1. Means one set will have So as you can see, there were 12 children with Tai, and she said to them, let's play the game of making groups. So there were how many children? 12 children. Right, children? She said, let's play the game of making groups. You must make groups as many fingers as the number of finger I show. So she showed 4 fingers. First she showed how many fingers? 4 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It means they have to make 4 groups. Now how many children will be there in these groups? So there are 12 children, no, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are done. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. So again 1. One, 1, 1, 1. Even these 4 are done. Now remaining 4. One will go here, one will go here, the other will go here. So each group will have how many children? 3 children. Okay? How many children? 3 children, right? Because 4 3s are 12. Okay, or when we divide 12 by 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 4 3s are is 12. Right, children? Now let's go to the second question. Tai made a sign of 3 fingers. How many groups were formed? Now she made a group of 3 fingers. So let us see, instead of every time drawing and making a group, we can easily do what? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So each group will have how many children? 4 children. Each group will have how many children? 4 children. Because see, this 3, 1, 2, 3. Then this 3, 1, 2, sorry. Two, 3. Now if I take this 3, then 1, 2, 3. And remaining how many are there? Here 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So each group will have how many children? 4 children. So the answer is 4. Okay. Now let us see. Tai showed 2 fingers. How many groups were formed? If Tai shows 2 fingers, so what we will do? Simple. 12 and 2. 2 6 are 12. Right? So the answer is going to be 6. Then Tai made a hand sign of 6 fingers. 6 fingers, okay? So for 6 fingers, how many it will be? How much it's going to be, children? If 12 children are there and Tai showed 6 fingers, so 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So each group will have How many children? 2 children. Okay.